Hello all, my name is Sami Lallukka and I am responsible of Optical Passives application area at Teleste. I want to warmly welcome you all to watch this video in which we are going to present how our solutions can help you to speed up your FTTx rollouts. As a start, I want to say a few words how we work at Teleste to help our customers to succeed. By the way, did you know that Teleste has over 65 years of experience of designing award-winning technologies and products? At Teleste, we are committed to helping our customers achieve their needs and making their everyday life easier. We are experienced in working with customers, listening to their requirements, and delivering solutions that exceed their expectations. The file you see here, our enlightened range of optical passive products, is a good example of how these principles are followed in our product development and tailored to solutions helping our customers to succeed. So, back to the topic. To continue, we need to ask one fundamental question. So, how can you eventually speed up FTTx rollouts? Based on our knowledge and experience from successful cooperation with our existing customers, we have formulated these 3 themes to answer this question. So, first, you need to make home installations easier. Second, you have to support flexible network built with easy-to-use products. And last, you want to reduce deployment time with pre-assemblies. So, in the next coming slides, we will address all these 3 themes and provide examples on how our solutions can help you on each of them. So we start from the how you can make home installations easier using our solutions. And I'm lucky to have my colleague, our guru of product management from B&I team, Mr. Robert Wilkins, to present you this topic. So, Robert, please go ahead.
Thanks for the great introduction, Sami. Our customers are keen to simplify the installation process. This means making it easier and quicker to install on a customer's premises, and so we have developed solutions to achieve this. Pre-connectorized cabling and wall outlets provided with cables already connected all save time and cost. Wall mounting brackets make their installation easier, and cardboard packaging ensures an environmentally friendly solution with no plastic waste. Incorporating all these items into one package allows an installation kit to be provided to installers or for customer self-install, making the process easier and quicker.
Thank you, Robert. So, we have now shown you how you can make home installation easier using our products: pre-connectorized outlets, pre-terminated cabling, mounting brackets, and easy-to-use installation kits. So, I'm sure you want to hear more. Next, we will show you how you can support flexible network build with our easy-to-use products. And guess who is on the voice again? Robert, are you ready?
Hi, Sami. Yes, I'm ready. With the flexible nature of our products, we can add additional features and capabilities to enhance their usability. New internal parts can be designed and incorporated, such as additional splice trays and splitter holders, along with enhanced cable management and entry glands. This approach means our products are very cost effective and highly adaptable to fit a customer's multiple configurations required. As we have a wealth of experience of designing and installing networks, Teleste is in a unique position to understand the features and capabilities of products needed. One such example is our range of aerial boxes, which have been developed with the aerial installer in mind. These products are easy to fit and maintain whilst located at height. Drop cables are easily installed one-handed and sealed via a unique foam strip solution. Separation between the network and customer sides of the installation is achieved with lockable access compartments. These changes are an example of our collaborative approach of working with the end users of the products, in this case aerial installers, and understanding their needs and desires to have products that make their life easier and more efficient when performing their tasks.
Excellent, Robert. So, you have now seen how our easy-to-use products can help you with your flexible network build. So, by developing customized solutions to customer requirements, understanding and implementing customer needs, and using our flexible and adaptable connection boxes, design and production of dedicated parts. So, I'm sure you want to hear the last one as well. This is how we can reduce deployment time with pre-assemblies using our solutions. And Robert, I'm sure you are ready again.
Thanks a lot, Sami. With the need for flexibility and ease of connection for fibres at distribution points, we have developed our modular system for point-of-connection solutions. This product range is designed to be easily built into street cabinets and walled lockboxes. Its modularity makes it easily scalable in size and function to meet operators' requirements. The solution includes multifunction trays that house optical splitters and fusion or mechanical splices. Customer presentation is achieved via connector drawers, which can also house optical splitters if desired. Microduct and fibre cable management is achieved via dedicated management brackets. The whole solution is very flexible and can be configured for customers' needs.
Thank you, Robert. Very good. So, you have now seen also how our solutions can reduce your deployment time. So, we can provide you factory pre-built and tested assemblies, multiple enclosure options including underground, integrated duct and fiber management, multifunction splice and splitter trays. Excellent. So, as a summary, we have just demonstrated you how Teleste solutions on optical passives can help you to speed FTTx installations by making your home installation easier, supporting flexible network build with easy-to-use products, reduce deployment time with pre-assemblies. As you can see, Teleste Passives and Indoors team has the capability to develop products based on customer-specific needs to make their lives easier. Our mission is to make our customers' lives smart, safe and smooth, and we do this by working together, listening, understanding, designing, innovating and delivering customer needs on time and at affordable cost. So, I want to thank you all for listening this video in which we presented how our solutions can help you to speed up your FTTx rollouts. Thank you.